Using personalization in the customer journey will help you accelerate the sales process, engage with customers, retain customers, and even bring new customers on board. However, for the majority of marketers, personalization is still like an utopia. It's hard to apply. So I created a little framework I'm going to share with you in just a moment that will help you think creatively based on the customer journey, based on the desires, objections, and the type of information you gather at each stage of this journey in order to create personalized messages that help people take action. So stick with me. Alright, so what you have here is a combination of different marketing techniques. Old school funnel, where we have awareness, consideration, decision, and when the individual is already a client. So this is the process we all take in one or another way in order to buy a product. Since we start being aware of a potential problem we need a solution for, and then when we buy that product or service. Also, we have copywriting techniques here as a creative exercise, and also we have somehow the customer journey. All right, so the different steps a customer takes in order to engage with the company and how that relationship goes. So through this example, you learn how to use this information and this exercise to create messages that are highly relevant to each individual so that this individual then converts. This example is based on a hotel in Granada, south of Spain, wonderful city. What we have here is, again, awareness, consideration, decision, client, the different steps in the funnel, right? Then we have what the lead and customer wants, okay? This is the goal, the concern maybe this person has, and what this person wants at each and every stage. Awareness, consideration, decision, and when this person becomes a client, okay? This stage here. Then we have what you want as a brand, okay? What are your particular goals? KPIs, if you want to bring them down to specific numbers, which is always better. And then what type of information you have or you know about this individual at each and every stage of the process, because it is not the same an anonymous lead here than a client that has already provided maybe loads of information, okay? And then the communication channel, so maybe a website here, but maybe here it is face-to-face during the client phase. And then what type of personalized message you can create based on the context at every stage and based on the information you've gathered so far at each stage again. So this is an exercise I've done a few times with our consultancy clients. We have a personalized video marketing platform. Our clients deal with saturated audiences each and every day, and they use our platform to make people take action, to make people react with highly relevant personalized multimedia content. And this is extremely helpful because it helps our clients think in a creative way so that they are not creatively blocked, let's say. All right, so let's start here. In this example, again, we are a hotel in beautiful Granada. Let's start with what the lead, not even lead, the prospect, the user, the website user wants. This person here wants to know Granada and the different Andalusian cities. So Andalusia, south of Spain, wonderful area in general, and it has beautiful cities. And this person, maybe it's coming from the US, it's a US tourist and is visiting Granada, and chances are that it's going to spend a few days there only, but then after that it's going to visit other cities. So this person is looking for something specific, and so he wants to get to know Granada, he or she, we don't know yet, and other Andalusian cities. And then if we go down to what you want as a brand, in this example, the brand wants visibility based on the buyer persona and lead capture. So this person, this company wants brand visibility because there are many options out there. Again, your audiences are saturated, so this brand wants visibility, but then at the same time wants to capture a lead. So this is probably advertising, SEO, we don't know, TV ads, social media ads, and then once the lead comes to the website or lands in the website, capturing the lead. We see here what type of information we have available. In this case, traffic source, for example, and the search terms. Maybe this person typed hotel in Granada, or maybe it started with a hotel in Malaga, and then realize that no, Malaga is not where I need to start. Let's go from Madrid to Granada by airplane. Okay, so basically traffic and the search term, probably the information you have access to here, because we are not yet talking about a lead, okay? And then the communication channels, we have the brand website, an OTA, online travel agency, or maybe an Instagram account. So these are things you need to track and define based on what's the best communication channel in order to get brand visibility and make this particular prospect or user still react. Reaction in this case would be, or taking action would be, completing a web form, submitting a web form in order to request more information. Maybe you have a guide about the 5 wonderful places to visit in Granada, like La Alhambra, for example, or in Malaga, Sevilla, and so on, right? And then from there, we take it a bit down and we go to the personalized message. We don't know that much yet, but still we already know information about this particular individual, because maybe one of the search terms, there's a fly here, there's a fly there, because maybe one of the search terms used by this lead was hotel in Granada. Hotel Granada. This person didn't look for Airbnb in Granada. This person is searching for hotel in Granada. So this is already personalized information you can use for other marketing messages, even if it is not hello first name. You can use the context to create highly relevant messages across your channels: email, website, a telephone call, even face-to-face, and so on. Let's move now to the consideration stage here. What I need, again, what the customer, potential customer needs. Now, this person has narrowed down the research. We have that he, she, we don't know yet, right? Wants to a hotel that is here, that is close to the main cultural attractions of the city. All right, so this person maybe downloaded a guide that talks about the most wonderful things to visit in Granada. And if you have different resources in your website, you can actually segment what type of resource this person chose. And with this, you can also track interest. So let's say that this individual chose attractions, like cultural attractions, right? History and so on. In Granada, there are many of those. It's a beautiful city. So again, personalized information, maybe, we don't have that much yet, but contextualized information, for sure, yes. Although personalized information is already hotel, it's already Granada, and now we are adding one more, attractions in that city. When we move down to the company's goal, we find that this company or organization wants to help clients identify the hotel's relevancy based on their needs. All right, so in this case, we have then that the hotel, the brand, wants the lead to identify the hotel as an authority in that particular subject, which is a hotel near maybe other cultural attractions in that beautiful city, Granada, right? So again, help the client identify the hotel's relevancy based on their needs. This person has already told us some of the needs or desires that are there behind the scenes. Hotel, Granada, Andalusia, in Spain, south of Spain, and then cultural attractions of the city, all right, of that particular city. So these are specific things. Again, we don't have yet maybe something like a first name or last name, but we do have a lot of contextual information, which in many cases is even a lot better, right? So these already can help you create more relevant messages that will this person take action in the process. What type of information we might know now? Maybe name, because now you are offering another resource this person can download, or even booking a reservation that this person can cancel can be considered as a lead generation tool. Okay, so name, destination, dates, interest. Again, what we have here, interest, cultural attractions, Granada, the city, instead of the province, the specific city. Then what communication channel this person uses, email, maybe, chatbot, maybe this person is already interacting with your company through a chatbot. Maybe it's an automated chatbot that at the same time gathers customer data by asking smart questions that again helps you profile and segment these leads, and then other tools like Facebook Messenger and more. And then What type of personalized message you can create here? Do you know the Alhambra? We are the only, or maybe with another voice. Do you know the Alhambra? Just kidding. So we are the only hotel in the heart of the Alhambra. Find out how other clients have enjoyed their experience at our hotel. Why is this important? It's talking about Alhambra, which is a cultural attraction related to the interest this person has already shown here in the consideration stage. It's also talking about a hotel. It's already talking about brand visibility and how other people value the brand with testimonials, basically teasing you, saying, find out what other people think about the hotel, which is in the heart of the Alhambra itself. So this is wonderful already, see? And then we continue with the decision stage here. What this person needs now is a hotel that gives access to exclusive cultural activities. So this person has already done some research, right? There are many hotels in the city. Which of these hotels will actually fulfill my needs? Okay, so consideration and now the decision has already been taken-ish. All right, so this person has chosen the hotel in the Alhambra, for example, the Hotel Alhambra Palace. From there, we go a bit down to what are the specific goals of this organization. In this case, customer acquisition through direct channel. In this case, this company is a hotel. They do not want OTAs, online travel agencies, because of the commissions. Then the data that is available at this point would be number of people, because this person is already booking a room, the destination, Granada Hotel in this case, estimated budget, because it's telling you how much this person is going to pay for the room and maybe for other experiences during a specific window. And then we go down to the communication channel. Customer service, already talking to people, maybe SMS, maybe WhatsApp, maybe email, it's a phone call. There are many communication channels you can already use here because you have more information. Since relevancy is one of the goals of this company, the more relevant the channel is, the better according to the end individual's goal. An example of a message would be, Mark, can you imagine a romantic dinner under the lights of the Alhambra? We can make the reservation for you and give you a 20% discount. Okay, it's adding more value to the conversation, and it's also getting this customer to the next stage here. Okay, when this person is already a client, it's converting right now, all right, but then there are upselling and cross-selling opportunities. Now let's go over what happens when this person has become a client. So what this person wants is a concierge service or experience that is personalized and unique. Then the goal of this organization, of the hotel, is to help customers discover other products and services to improve their experience and increase their revenue per customer. What type of information do we have here? Well, the room type based on the reservation, the purchase history, if this person is part of the loyalty program or not, how many points does this person have, communication channel, the reception, email, postal mail, and then the personalized message might be something like what we have here. Mark, are you joining a guided tour of the Alhambra? It is better to book now because tickets sell out months in advance, right? So it's adding some FOMO, some urgency to buy now, which is true in the Alhambra. They barely have tickets available. You need to buy beforehand. So as you can see, there are creative ways to use personalization across the customer journey, and sometimes it'll be with information that is quite obvious, like hello, first name. But many times, especially at the beginning of the process here, you will not have enough information, but still you have a lot of information that will help you contextualize the conversation. Marketing nowadays should be a conversation, and based on that, serve these customers and leads and customers better, convert faster, increase the revenue per customer through cross-selling, upselling opportunities and strategies, and at the same time bring new customers on board through a great experience. When you take into account where this customer is in the funnel, flywheel, whatever strategy you use, it doesn't really matter. What matters here is the concept. When you take into consideration the needs and goals of these individuals, your needs and goals, what information these individuals can provide at each and every stage, and you use mechanisms to track this information and to save this information, store this information so that you can then use it automatically or manually. And then when you take into account what's the best communication channel to talk, to have a conversation with these individuals, you are able to create messages, personalized, contextualized, and individualized messages that make people take action. If you have any questions about this, please let me know. I'll be happy to help you. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, please, again, feel free to reach out. Also, if you like this video, please give it a like and do not forget to subscribe. Have a great day. Take care. Bye.